Let's start the magnetic compass calibration. First, find the mode operation lever E. Toggle back and forth 7 times in a row.
Into altitude, hold mode.
At this moment, observe the drone tail marker light. When the tail light appears red and blue flashing, it means the drone is ready for calibration. At this moment, we can proceed to the next step.
Hold mode.
Lift the drone up and keep it level. Take the drone as the center and rotate it clockwise for 1 circle. The tail light is green, indicates success. Then turn the drone nose down, as vertical as possible to the ground. At least ensure that the drone and the ground angle is greater than 45 degrees. Take the drone as the center and rotate it in 1 circle. The tail light is green for success. Red for failure. Recalibration is required. Disconnect the drone's battery at this moment. Then reconnect the battery with the drone.
Gas into altitude.
When the drone tail light turns green and blinks, the magnetic compass calibration operation has been completed.